Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Rice.
This week, you will explore the sounds, spellings, and meaning of words that change the letter Y to the letter I to make it plural. Plural nouns name more than one person, place, or thing. This week, we will study both plural and singular spellings. Remember this rule for plurals. If a word ends with a consonant followed by Y, change the final Y to I and add ES to form the plural. So, class, pull out your Spelling Connections textbook, but do not open it yet. Since this is Monday, we will do what is called a spelling pretest. On the pretest, I will give you the word's pronunciation and meaning. I will then explain the rule and have you self-correct before you open your book.
Using the sentence provided on page 178A of the teacher's edition, the teacher says the word and uses it in a sentence to illustrate its meaning and then pronounces the word again.
Students, are you ready? The first word is mystery. Mystery. The cause of the fire is a mystery. Mystery. Now, class, you say the word.
Mystery.
This brief activity engages the students with the meaning of the word mystery.
Students, can you turn to your partner and make up your own sentence for the word mystery?
Maybe if we wrote something funny, she'd like it more. Really funny.
How about why the dog ate my homework is a mystery to me?
Very good. Now try to see the word mystery in your mind and write down how you think mystery is spelled. Now I will show you the word spelling and have you self-correct or give it a check if you got it right. Then I'll explain how it fits the rule or pattern for the week to help you remember the spelling. The correct spelling of mystery is M-Y-S-T-E-R-Y with Y at the end. Check what you wrote down and self-correct if you did not spell it correctly. Give it a check if you spelled it correctly. Our weekly lesson concerns how the spelling of a word may change when the word form changes from singular to plural. Who remembers the rule or pattern we are studying this week? Nancy, can you tell us?
If a word ends with a consonant followed by Y, change the final Y to I and add ES to form the plural.
Very good, Nancy. That's correct. Now, let's suppose we need to write a sentence changing the singular word mystery to its plural form.
The teacher now moves on to the other words on the pretest. Using the same teacher-led pretest routine, hear it, the teacher pronounces the word, say it, students repeat it, spell it, teacher spells the word, read it, students read the word they wrote, self-correction. Students check and self-correct their spelling.
The second word is mysteries. I read 3 mysteries a month. Mysteries. Now you say the word.
Mysteries.
Please turn to your partner and see if you can make your own sentence for the word mysteries.
Do you have any ideas? My parents watch a lot of mysteries on PBS.
Now try to see the word mysteries in your mind and spell mysteries in your workbook. Let me spell mysteries and you check your spelling. Mysteries is spelled M-Y-S-T-E-R-I-E-S. Mysteries is plural. It means more than one mystery, so you should have changed the final Y to I and added ES. Give yourself a check if you got it right.
The pretest continues with these 4 steps. After students have taken the pretest several times, they know the routine, and it will only take about 20 minutes to complete the pretest on day 1. Remember these 4 points. You need first, a curriculum. Second, 20 minutes each day. Third, words organized by a spelling pattern or spelling rule. And fourth, a research-based word list with the right words for your grade level. With clear, skills-focused, and to-the-point instruction, Spelling Connections invites students to participate in easy-to-digest lessons that use identifiable patterns and rules to understand the why behind spelling constructs. For more information about Spelling Connections, please visit my website, jrichardgentry.com, and visit the Spelling Connections page. There you will find links to our publisher, Zaner Bloser, with great information and free samples. Thank you for watching.